The reason I dey take my time dey talk to youths because youth time dey pass. E get some kind things wey be say na only at the age of your youth you take suppose to do am. After that time, forget it. This one no be the one wey dey say school no dey run leave person. No be me I dey tell you so. Once you enter 18 years, tell yourself say omo time no dey again. Na that time you go take use 90% of your focus take do anything wey you dey do for life. My oga wey teach me work na only on Sunday e take dey enjoy. If you see am from Monday to Saturday, you go think say na one kind poor man. But if you see am on Sunday, na only on Sunday that guy no take dey stingy. As I dey here so, if I reply your message for WhatsApp, just know say out of the 100% of time wey I get, na the remaining 10% wey be say after I don do everything I wan do finish, na that remaining 10% wey I fit give out so na till dey reply your message so. I get dream to chase. Na for Ghana I take learn that thing. For Ghana, you fit dey sleep like this, Shema go wake you. E go tell you say that time wey you take dey sleep, so people dey use am take dey cash work wey dey change their story. The thing come to me say every time is important, depends on wetin you use am take do. Wetin person use the time take do wey you no gree use your time take do, na that person take pass you. If I use my time take dey reply your chats for WhatsApp, if I dey hungry tomorrow, you go send me money. Avoid us wey dey chase our dream o. We go snub you you go put say you no get value. Before I continue, if you wan load bank, local bank, credit union, credit card, all kinds of bank and CC logs, contact Stephen Ben. He still dey sell mobile deposit and check cash log, wire check log, checkbook log, CC top up log. E dey dispatch to USA and Canada ASAP. Just send her a message on WhatsApp through the link in my bio. So as I was saying about chasing your dream, e get times wey be say I go dey chat with girl 2-3 months before I go look, me and the girl no go dey talk again. I come notice say na my lack of communication na kill the relationship. But anyway, I go still move on. Even if I even think say na my future wife be that, bro, I go still move on. Many of una wey start to dey carry girl at a very early age, no be you like toto pass. You know how many times we don see toto close eye, we don see we dey close eye, we dey throway face. That one na the pain wey dream chasers dey face, because e get pain wey be say, see, if you no fit accept pain for yourself, you no fit chase dream. You no fit get to that place for free. You need to feel that pain. Years ago, I dey tempted to look for drugs wey go fit kill my prick make e no dey stand again, because I don already calculate the future say I get where I dey go and woman go fit distract me. As I dey here so, even God know say I ready make my prick no dey work again, but man dey see money. As far as I go dey see money, you know the way you need to dey desperate. I dey very desperate. Na my mother calm me down, say money bank calm down, you too dey desperate.